Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we give you the honest, no-nonsense scoop on all the products you care about. Today, we're taking a look at the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser TurboLift-Off Vacuum, Model 3774F. If you're someone who's constantly battling pet hair and dust in your home, this vacuum might be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's break it down, starting with the essentials. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser TurboLift-Off is a powerful upright vacuum designed with pet owners in mind. The key feature here is the FurGuard self-cleaning brush roll, which addresses one of the biggest annoyances when it comes to cleaning up after pets: hair wrap. The brush roll uses specially designed grooves to route hair through, while a built-in cleaning comb works continuously to break up hair as you go, keeping the brush clean and functional throughout your cleaning session. This is especially useful for those who have pets that shed heavily, like dogs and cats, as it helps maintain peak performance without the need for constant brush cleaning. Another notable feature is the sealed HEPA allergen system, which is designed to trap dust, dander, and allergens inside the vacuum. This filtration system is great for allergy sufferers, as it helps ensure that dust and particles don't get released back into the air during cleaning. If you're sensitive to allergens or live with someone who is, this is a huge plus. Additionally, the vacuum comes with a detachable pod, giving you flexibility to clean high or hard-to-reach areas with ease. Whether it's stairs, upholstery, or your car interior, this feature is a game-changer for versatility. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is equipped with a couple of useful attachments. The TurboBrush pivot tool, which is great for picking up pet hair and dirt from a variety of surfaces, and the LED-lit 2-in-1 dusting brush and Crevice tool. The LED light makes it easy to dirt in those hard-to-reach spots like under furniture, while the Crevice tool helps you get into tight spaces around furniture edges and in between cushions. In terms of real-world performance, the Bissell does a solid job picking up everything from fine dust to large debris. The suction power is more than sufficient for most home environments, and it handles pet hair like a pro. On carpets, it pulls up hair and dirt with ease, and on hard floors, it picks up dust and fine particles without scattering them around. However, depending on the thickness of your carpet, you might notice it's a bit more effortful on high-pile rugs. The suction doesn't diminish as you move between floor types, but the brush roll can struggle a bit with heavier debris in deep carpets. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its maneuverability. Despite being an upright vacuum, it's relatively easy to push and maneuver, especially on flat surfaces. The handle is ergonomic, so using it for extended periods won't leave you with sore hands. And the cord length is generous enough that you won't constantly need to switch outlets for standard room cleaning. The bin capacity is decent, and while you might need to empty it after a few sessions, it's not overly small. It's a hassle-free design that allows you to keep going without frequent interruptions for cleaning out the debris. But as with any product, there are some areas where it could be better. While the FurGuard brush roll does a decent job preventing hair wrap, it doesn't eliminate the need for occasional manual maintenance. Long hair can still get tangled in the brush, and the self-cleaning mechanism might not always work perfectly, especially after extended use. The noise level is another consideration. While it's not overwhelmingly loud, the motor does produce a noticeable hum that might be a bit much for those who are sensitive to noise. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth noting. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser is priced in the mid-range, making it a solid option for most consumers, especially if you're in need of something that specializes in pet hair removal. When you compare it to other vacuums in the same category, like the Shark Navigator Lift-Away or the Dyson Ball Animal, it stands out in terms of its self-cleaning brush roll and the overall value it offers for the price. The suction is comparable, but the Bissell gives you a bit more in terms of functionality and specialized tools, making it a great choice for pet owners who need something that will tackle fur, dust, and allergens with ease. For those of you wondering if the Bissell is a good deal, it depends on what you're after. If you're looking for a vacuum that specializes in pet hair removal and you want something that's easy to maintain and use, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser TurboLift-Off provides excellent value. It's not the most powerful vacuum out there, but it does its job exceptionally well in the pet hair department, and the added filtration system is a bonus. It's also a bit more affordable compared to high-end models like Dyson, making it a good balance of price and performance. Comparing it to some direct competitors, the Shark Navigator Liftaway provides strong suction and a similar detachable pod feature, but it lacks the specialized pet tools that the Bissell offers. The Dyson Ball Animal 2, while a powerhouse in suction, comes at a significantly higher price point, so if you're not looking for top-tier suction, the Bissell might be a smarter choice. When it comes to build quality, the Bissell feels solid, though not quite as premium as some higher-end brands. The plastic used in the body is durable, but has a more utilitarian feel to it. As for long-term maintenance, cleaning the brush roll can be a bit of a chore, especially if you're dealing with pet hair buildup. Fortunately, the dust bin is easy to empty, and the filter is washable, which means you can keep it running smoothly without constantly buying replacements. If you ever need customer support, Bissell's reputation for after-sales service is generally positive, though it's always a good idea to check online reviews to see how others have fared. They're known for having responsive support and handling warranty claims efficiently. In conclusion, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser TurboLift-Off is an excellent option for anyone who struggles with pet hair and allergens. It's versatile, fairly easy to use, and offers great value for its price, especially for pet owners. It may not have the raw suction power of more expensive models, but it does everything a pet owner could want, picking up hair, dust, and dirt while keeping the air cleaner. If you're looking for a vacuum that combines affordability with functionality, this might just be the one for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the comments box for more info on this vacuum. If you've already used the Bissell, drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Goodbye till next time, and remember, a clean home is just a vacuum away.